dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
President Bola Tinubu has assured Nigerians that he's going to sack non-performing ministers. Moving on, we have Governor Godwin Obaseki said that they are not going to share or give Treasury looters access to Edo people's money. But guys, for comments fully, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our missing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. To all our viewers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed with the news. President Bola Tinubu has vowed to drop any members of his cabinet who he feels fall short of the expectation of Nigerians. Speaking at a meeting with the leadership of the Area Consultative Forum at the Presidential Villa on Thursday, President Bola Tinubu said that he will continue to do his best for the country. So he thanked the cabinet member for their efforts, but he's going to relieve any of them of their duties anytime he feels that they are failing Nigerians. He also appealed to the state government to prioritize the need of the local communities by ensuring accountability and effectiveness in the administration of local governments. By putting end there, he also appealed to us to summon the governors. He said he's doing his very best to enhance the revenue base of the country, that they must equally be sympathetic and they must urgently consider the needs of the local people, that people reside in local communities, that is where they work. And if the local governments are not effective in delivering services as leaders, that they must not hang on to the numbers. So President Bola Tinubu said that they are going to use their education to serve the people and improve their condition. And they must develop the backbone of Nigeria's economy, which is the education system. He said he's going to collaborate with the governors on this intensively, that they are still building Nigeria, so they never finish. And he's glad that they have emphasized the need for the development, and the infrastructure decay is unacceptable, and the level of poverty in the north is unacceptable. So they must eliminate the source of this trend. By people, imagine leading a country where 80% of the citizens don't want you to govern them. Just imagine. This man might actually change this country to better. Well, we hope. But people, they ask and now say, why never sack Minister of Power? Because the man, they misbehave. So what is this still doing in the office? People will be like, say this our government can't like the word will. If it's not, I will, it will be, we will. That's also audio doings that would they hear for this country. But this sack, is it the solution to the problems on ground? Nigerians are hungry. He should do something about that. No money, no food. Just imagine a country whereby 10,000 naira could not afford tangible thing in the market. Just imagine. He has been quiet all this while. After his 1 year celebration, boom, he has started promising Nigerians what he's going to do again. I pray this time around he implement whatever thing he has said, because the hunger in the land is telling on the masses. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's make the conversation live in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, said that politics must always be about bettering the lives of the people. He noted that his government plays a politics centered on serving the people and putting the state on the path of accelerated growth and prosperity. Governor Godwin Obaseki reassured that his government will not share or give Treasury looters access to Edo people's money, but they will continue to channel the state resources in the development of the state and bettering the lives of the people. The governor spoke at a homecoming reception in honor of the victorious Edo Queen Football Club, who were recently crowned the 2023/2024 Nigeria Women Footballer League. The event held at the government house in Benin City, the Edo State chapter. The governor said that when his administration came into office in 2016, there was no hope in the state, as every youth was seeking the slightest opportunity to travel out of the country. That today his government has reversed the trend and brought back hope into the state, as every youth now wants to stay back to contribute to the development of the state. He said that he don't bother when people talk about things they don't know, that they have no regrets, that the money they refuse to use for Edo people, that is the money they have turned around and used for the people. Now in the last 8 years, they have fought different battles and they have overcome them all. and they will always come out victorious. No matter what they do, they will continue to use Edo money for Edo people. That they have money in Edo state, but when they steal the money, there will be no money to take care of Edo people. That the governance is all about using the money to develop the state and the people. Obaseki also thanked Edo people for their support and prayers, while thanking God for giving his administration the ability and grace to turn the fortune of Edo State around and restore hope. He commended the Edo Queen for the feat and reaffirming the government's continued support. Obaseki said that his government has invested hugely in the sports sector to restore the state's sport glory. He said before he came that sports were disarray, but he came and recognized it. He created a sport commission and hired qualified people to run sport for them. And today, look at the result. That with their reform in sport in the Edo State over the past 8 years, they are sure to continue to produce champions in other areas of sport in the state. The Edo State has the biggest team in cricket, and the team is almost going continental. So they have laid the foundation to succeed, and they will certainly build on it. Earlier, the Edo State First Lady Dr. Mrs. Bessie Obaseki, while commending the guest, stated that this is the most glorious and joyous day for her, as the Edo Queen has made her proud. That 29 years is a long time. So she have to thank God and the government for this achievement. That they thank the governor as well, Governor Godwin Obaseki and his administration, for the hope and commitment to renewing sport in Edo State. That the boys were doing well while the girls were not. But she believed that the Bestie Obaseki Women's Footballer Tournament shaped the girls, and today they have brought the cup home. Hey, my people, no be small matter. So Obaseki said that instead of allowing looters to take their money, they rather use the money to invest in the state and to Edo people. That he's not going to squander any Edo State money. So many people, when they talk about his administration, that he didn't do anything tangible in the state. He said he's not going to regret any actions or any of their worth, but all he knows that he has done so well in these past 8 years. And he prays that as Yehodalo will continue from where he stops. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. To all our viewers, thank you so much for staying with us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your witness. Stay safe, guys. Bye.